Hi and welcome back. Over the last few modules, we have covered lots of information about Colour Touch. Now we want to walk you through some key services which are going to make your life in the salon easier and faster. We're going to cover grey blending, transformative toning, and share with you our tips and favourite formulas when mixing creatively. Let's go.
Do you have those clients who have those first few grey hairs coming through, but aren't quite ready to commit to a permanent colour? Do you ever get asked by those clients how they can move away from full grey coverage to more of a blend? If these are the kind of conversations that you are having with your clients, then Colour Touch might just be your go-to product.
Before we find out more, let's check how much you already know. Can you guess how much of a blend on white hair you get with Colour Touch? Up to 30%, 50%, or up to 100%? For those of you who said B, up to 50%, you got it. How much coverage do you get with Colour Touch Plus? Up to 40%, up to 60%, or up to 70%? That's right, with Colour Touch Plus, it's up to 70%.
Colour Touch Plus is a great next step for your clients who are searching for a higher level of grey hair coverage, which is fast and gentle. The range will cover up to 70% of their grey in just 20 minutes. It's mixed, applied, and developed in exactly the same way as the rest of the Colour Touch family, so there's no need to worry about adding more time to your client's appointment.
Let's look at the difference between Colour Touch and Colour Touch Plus. Colour Touch gives you 50% blend on natural grey hair. Colour Touch Plus takes it to the next level with up to 70% coverage. We apply a depth of a 7 with a stroke 7 tone to each swatch and develop fully. What do you notice? Can you guess which is which? If you guess them in this order, then you're right.
Toning, glazing, melting, and root stretching is bigger than ever. These days, clients are often on top of the latest trends as fast as us hairdressers are. So being able to deliver on exactly what they want requires a product that can perform in a predictable and reliable way. When it comes to toning a balayage, a set of highlights, or a full head bleach, we need a colour which has the strength to transform an underlying pigment into a sensational colour result in one easy step. This is where Colour Touch's transformative toning technique really comes into its own.
Sometimes we need a colour which is rich and intense enough to give the hair a more even appearance. Think of when we are lightening previously coloured hair with the balayage technique. It's possible that you can see areas which are very slightly patchy. Colour Touch is rich and vibrant. It could be the perfect choice to create a more even finish. Simply apply your chosen formula to the hair and develop for up to 20 minutes. Notice how the result is rich, beautiful, even, and really shiny.
When it comes to being creative with Colour Touch, we have limitless possibilities, from intermixing shades from the core range to creating pastel effects with Special Mix and 10/0. Let's have a look at how hairdressers have used Colour Touch to create beautiful results for their clients. Do you have customers who want hair just like this? Why not take a screenshot of these mixtures and try them out for yourself? If you love seeing this type of inspiration, why not visit Wella.com and check out the Trend Hub, the destination for exploring lots of creative formulas from Wella hairdressers all over the world.
When intermixing shades to achieve a personalised colour, it can be tricky to know what you're going to get. So here's our golden rule. You can use a depth of a 10 on their own, or you can add them into your mixture to dilute another shade. Think of them similar to clear. This means less pigment will be deposited onto the hair. Great for you if you want to pastelize shades. Here you can see I'm experimenting with Special Mix.
Make sure that you've achieved the correct natural underlying pigment. If your target shade is warm, lift to the exact level you want and apply your chosen formula. For cooler shade directions, lift to almost one shade lighter. Or simply add some cool tones into your mix, like stroke 8 pearl to neutralize orange, or stroke 6 violet to neutralize yellow.
you ever applied a toner which ends up looking too dark? It could be that your tone has overridden your depth. And what do we mean by this? When it comes to neutralizing unwanted yellow or warmth in the hair, we can be tempted to use a strong violet formula to neutralize. Using too much violet could make the hair look darker than we were hoping for. To ensure you can guarantee the correct level of neutralization, my advice is to tone on the depth that you're working on. So, if your hair is very pale yellow appearance, work with shades on a depth of a 9. 9/16 is a beautiful shade with a soft violet tonality. No danger of it going too dark.
And remember, porous hair may take or grab the toner much more than healthy hair, so consider diluting the shade with 10/0. Make sure you leave the colour on long enough for it to develop. If you shampoo it off too quickly, it might look great on the day of the colour service, but after a few shampoos it'll be gone. If you're worried about it going too dark, use a lighter shade or add some 10/0 into your mixture.
Let's recap on some essential tips. Use 10-stroke to dilute any shade. It's perfect for creating long-lasting pastel colour with special mix. Colour Touch Plus gives us more intense grey coverage, up to 70%. For a cool shade direction, lift the hair to an almost 1 shade lighter than your target shade.
For more information on the other products within the Colour Touch range, download the technical folder. If you love this seminar on Colour Touch, why not take a look at the other discovery seminars and explore some key principles which will help you when you're colouring and lightening hair in the salon. Thanks for listening.